This meeting is being recorded.
Hello. Hello. Do you hear me? Yes, yes, I am here. Do you hear me?
Yes, miss, I can.
Okay. Now check out the page number. Which page number?
Yes, it's page number 4.
4 of biology.
It's like we are doing biology,
Yeah.
food.
Okay.
Yes, so it's like keywords. We like finished. We are like almost finished, but
Okay.
there's still some left.
Okay. 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 Withdrawal symptoms. I think we are on that page.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with the withdrawal symptoms. What are these?
Okay.
Conditions experienced when a person gives up a drug, for example, headache. Withdrawal symptoms are those like when we are suffering from some disease and there are
Yeah.
many symptoms are there, like 4 to 5 symptoms are there, and after the 3 to 4 days taking the medicine, just 2 symptoms are left. Other three will disappear. Those are
Okay.
those symptoms which are disappear. Those are the withdrawal symptoms, and it will occur with the help of the medicines, right?
Okay. So like when you got a disease and you got like 4 to 5 symptoms,
Yeah,
like when you take the medicine and some of them go, the
yeah.
gone ones are withdrawal symptoms.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, correct. Like headache. Like in the fever, there is headache, no? It
Yeah.
must be there. So it's
Yeah.
just if we are taking the simple medicines of a fever, then it will gone in just 2 hours. Get a relief from all type of pain in the body, right?
Yeah.
It's a very
Right.
it occurs just in the 2 or 3 hours, not in the days. Just in few hours, you get a relief. So these are the
Okay.
withdrawal symptoms. Okay.
Okay. So like it's quick.
Yeah, it's quick also. Now, next term is the illegal drug. That drug which is against the law, like it's a not given by the our government to permit the eating these medicines, and the people will eat against the law. These are the illegal drugs which are prohibited by our government.
Oh, like cocaine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Right.
like this.
Fine.
Okay, these are the illegal
Yes.
drugs. Now,
Okay.
next, is there any question?
Not yet, miss, but like what is passive smoking?
Okay. Passive smoking, it's a breathing in the secret smoke and produced by the other people, like not done by you, yourself, but the other people will do that.
What is,
Like,
I mean, what
like
is it?
in front of you, there is a person standing who is doing that smoking, right?
Okay.
Then it for
Right.
you it is the passive smoking, because active smoking is then we are saying that when you are doing that, but you are not doing, other person will do in front of you, that is the passive smoking, which is not done by you, but the effect will be there because we are standing close to him or her, right?
Okay, so is it like when you see someone smoking?
not seeing. You are just close to him or her. You are just sitting with them, or you are just standing with them or talking with them, and they are doing that because it affects your breathing also.
Okay. Okay, I
Just like that,
understand.
not the far away, not just like a 2 kilometers away. Someone is standing and doing, and it will affect you. It's not a passive smoking. Okay, when you are close to
Okay,
that
just
person, that means it is a passive smoking.
okay. So like when you're close to the person
Yes,
who's like
and
smoke.
who is, yeah. Understood?
Hmm.
Now next,
What is
stimulants.
breaking down again?
Okay, just listen. Is it okay now? I hope is it
Yes.
okay. Okay. Stimulant, a drug that speeds up the reactions in the nervous system, means which shows their effect, shows their action very efficiently in a minimum time, which speed up the
Okay. It's
reaction.
like
No?
speed.
Stimulant.
It's like really
Yeah,
fast.
yeah. Just like that,
Like,
enzymes which catalyze the reaction. If you remember that, enzymes
yeah.
are those hormones which are doing their. Hanji, speak. Any question?
No, no, miss.
We have
You said
studied
something
earlier.
to me. You said something to me.
Sorry, I can't understand what you are saying.
I said like, miss, did you said something to me?
Stimulant. About stimulant, you are
No,
saying?
yeah. So like, I was saying like, isn't it can be like sleeping pills?
No, 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 no. Stimulants are those which are speed up the reactions in the nervous system. With the sleeping pills, they are the just making our nervous system slow down, not the faster. It will become unconscious for us now when we are taking that. Now we doesn't know about at least 4 to 5 hours minimum. If someone is having a
Oh,
sleep of 2 hours, it will affect the
yeah.
5 hours. According to the sleep of the body, it will affect it. Like I am sleeping for 2 hours, then I will wake up again, then I will again sleep for 2 hours. If I am taking the sleeping pills, I can't get up after 2 hours. On that day, I will get up in the early morning, near 3:30 or 4.
Yeah.
Understood? It will slow
Understood.
down the nervous system. These are not the stimulants; they are the depressors. Like they slow down our action of our nervous system instead of speeding. Understood? Stimulants are
Okay.
those which are just like the enzymes. Enzymes are those proteins which are help it to catalyze the reaction. Means if
It's like,
some reaction is occur in the 2 hours, if we are adding enzyme, it will occur in 1 hour
yes,
with the help
it's
of,
like digest. It's
yeah.
like it's digestive food really fast. Like it helps to digest fastly.
Yes. In that way, it will occur. Stimulants take their action on the nervous system, not on the
Okay.
digestive system and not on any other system. Stimulants are
Okay.
those
So
which affect our nervous system.
okay. So it's just like similar to enzymes, but that
Like
enzymes
I will give you
infect is like
example, dear. I hope you understand after this example. Someone
yeah.
is having a final exams, and
Okay.
he is having a habit of sleeping of 6 hours. But
Okay.
tomorrow is their exam, which he doesn't know about the anything, and he has just 6 hours or 4 hours to study total.
Yeah.
Then he will consume more and more tea because he is also addicted for that. After taking tea, he can't sleep. So he will try to drink a tea after 1 hour or 2 hours, right? So this
Right.
tea is act as a stimulant on his nervous system. It speeds up the nervous system. He wants to learn everything in a short period of time. He wants to wake up for the 4 hours at least to cover the syllabus, that so that his exam will go going good tomorrow, right? He will try
Right.
his best with the help of that tea. Now in that tea, which drug is added? Like which thing is there which affects his nervous system? That is the stimulant. Understood?
Yes. It's
That
like
is a
only
yes, which speeds
yeah,
up our nervous system.
yes. So it reacts on like a nervous system.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Next is depressant, a drug that slows down the reaction in the nervous system. This is like you are saying sleeping pills. These are the examples in the depressants. Understood now? Because sleeping pills, who will take the sleeping pills? Only those persons who are suffers from depression, who can't sleep.
Yeah.
Only those persons are taking them. So these drugs are also called depressant, which slows down means which make a person uh, just I'm saying forcibly they are sleeping, right? Because knowingly or voluntarily they are unable to sleep properly. Like after 1 hour, he or she will get up again, then he will think again for 15 minutes and not able to sleep again. Those persons will take this, or the persons which having anxiety due to any tension or due to any stress and due to any family problem or due to any problem in the life, those persons are taking the depressants, those who are suffered from this depression, because it
Okay.
will
So
slow down the nervous system. They can't think or they don't want to overthinking, no? Because depression is mostly seen in the overthinking people.
yes. So it's like like stimulant speeds up and depressant just slows
So
down.
yeah, they are both are opposite to each other.
Yeah.
Understood that?
But both effects is on like nervous
Yeah, yeah.
system.
One will speed up the nervous system and other will slow down the nervous system.
Yes.
Next is nicotine. Nicotine is present dear in the cigarettes. It's an addictive chemical. That's why if someone want to leave the cigarette smoking, but
Yeah.
he is unable to do just due to the addiction of nicotine.
Okay. So it's like the
It's a chemical which is
chemical
present in the cigarettes, and the
that
person will
like it's
addicted. Yeah,
yes. So it's help you like it make you addict to it.
yeah,
Addicts
yeah,
to
yeah.
it.
Yes, yes,
Is
yes,
it means like only in cigarettes or like in alcohol
yes,
or
yes.
somewhere
No,
else
no, no.
also?
Nicotine is only in the cigarettes.
Okay.
Means it's a
So it's like
nicotine is
only
that
in the
product
cigarettes.
which is yeah which is addicted in the smoking cases only, not in the alcohols. There are
Okay.
many chemicals here when other chemicals also like caffeine and other one in other products.
Yeah.
In smoking, nicotine is important. Understand?
Yes.
Now,
Understood.
next page is fifth. Fifth page, I don't get that. Can you tell me where it is? I think so. On the fifth, these questions are written what keeps us healthy and what doesn't, right?
Yes, miss. Yeah, that's the
Okay.
questions.
Then goes to the next page, page number 6. Knowledge, digestion, and health, right?
You're right.
Now, food groups. I have already told you about the 5 food groups: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins.
Yes.
Yes, no? And also that
Yes.
fibrous food also.
Sorry,
That
miss.
salad
It's
one,
like
which pushes the
yeah.
yeah, waste product of our digestive system towards the anus. Those fibrous food is also there, right?
Right.
Now,
Miss, like
yes,
it's like six is present here, with these are like
because six one is the
proteins.
dear 6 1 is fibrous diet. It is maybe or may not be included because mainly 5 are there.
Okay.
Understood?
Right.
Fiber we
Understood.
can write or we can skip also. It's not too
Okay.
important as the other 5 one.
Carbohydrate is the most important
Yes,
one, isn't it, miss?
because like in chapatis, we are
Yeah.
eating the
It's gave us like
carbohydrates.
energy.
Yeah, it's having more energy.
Yes.
because it
You know, Miss,
contains the
I got a,
glucose, sugars, all these things, which can also
yeah.
maintain
You know,
our
Miss,
BP.
I got a question.
Yeah, tell me.
So, so you know, Miss, why is that in like carbohydrates as well, isn't it?
Which question? I can't understand your question.
You know, Miss, like
Wise?
rice. So isn't it like in carbohydrates, rice?
Rice, R-I-C-E.
Yeah, rice.
Yeah. Rice, if they have that, it also has fats in it.
Okay, but
Some,
like it mainly counts in carbohydrates.
yeah. Rich in carbohydrates. Like our
Okay,
chapatis and our flour, which we are eating, it all is rich in the carbohydrates.
okay,
So it's the
yes,
main food because we can't eat vegetables or pulses alone. No? We must have some
yeah,
chapatis or anything which we have to eat them along with that. So that's why carbohydrate is must in our diet. Okay.
okay,
Now, one by one, we will study today. First is the proteins. Our proteins are
yes.
made up of the amino acids, which is essential for our cell growth and the repair. Means they are
Just
the
a second,
building.
Miss.
Yeah.
I'm writing. Just a second, please.
Here it is written on your page also.
Yeah, yeah. You know, Miss, like what does amino acids do? You know, I forgot very quickly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You have okay. Write it.
Okay, so like what are amino acids, Miss?
Amino acids are those acids which combines
Okay.
to form
To
energy
form
to form energy food called proteins.
energy food.
Yeah. Called proteins. Means actually these are the no, basic units like how I will explain you. Just give me 1 minute for thinking about the example. Okay, just in the biology, when we are studying about the cell, then we will study that group of cell is called tissue, right?
Cells are called tissue.
Yes. Do you know that? Agree with me?
Yeah.
So, when the group of cell is called tissue, in the same way, when the amino acids combine with each other, they will form the proteins.
Okay, so like
Understood?
they make
They
the
are the just
proteins.
constituents, means they are the just contents of the protein by which the protein will made up.
Okay, so it's like the small parts, like cells.
Yeah. These are just like the small parts, which will having their bonds also like a chemistry. In chemistry, there are molecules. No, just we have studied water molecule, H2O.
Yeah.
Same like that, amino acids have their formula, and these amino acids, when they combine with each other with the bonds, they will constitute a proteins.
Yes.
Understood? It's a part of a
Right.
biochemistry actually. It's not in the biology and not in the chemistry. It's a different subject of biochemistry in which we will study these things. Isomers, polymers, these all subjects are there. Na?
Yeah.
So, second line is the protein's main function. The main function of the protein in our body is the cell growth and the repair of the cell. Means for the children, protein must be there in their diet. Na? Because they are
Yeah.
in the growing age, like 6 years, 5 years kid, they must consume the proteins because the body is building up. And these are also called as the building block of our body. Building block of our body are the proteins.
Okay, so it might be like toe.
Which one? Who?
I'm like, does proteins help you to make tall?
Yeah.
Yes.
They are essential for our growth, right?
Right.
Means proteins depends kids growth, how will his height will grow up, right? How is his or her weight at the age of 13 or 14,
Yes.
how much length of the bones, all the development of the body, it all depend upon the proteins, all the growth.
Yes. So okay. So you know the people who are short, do they
Yeah,
have like lack of proteins?
no, it's just not due to only the proteins, it may be the hormonal cause also. Actually, many
Okay.
aspects are there. In biology, there are many things which are like hereditary is also their genes, like his father or mother having a short height, then the baby may have that genes also. This is also
Okay.
the
Okay.
reason. Second reason may be due to the hormonal imbalance. Some kids are go in the very depressive areas, like depression is seen in the house or anything is happening in the house, not comfortable
Yes.
environment for them to grow up, na? Then
Yes.
these kids also show that hormonal they have the disturbances in their secretions, so
Yes.
these hormones also affect them in their height. Okay, so not only the
Okay.
protein, we can't say one reason is there, there are many reasons, no?
Yeah.
Now next is the understood about the protein, dear.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then go to the next, carbohydrates. These are made up of simple sugars, glucose, and it is used for the energy, because after eating the chapati we will get energy, na?
Yes.
So these carbohydrates give us more energy as compared to other foods.
Yes. So you know, miss, like
Yeah.
does carbohydrates have sugar in it?
Yes, sugar is included in the carbohydrates, and that starch which I have told you in the digestive system, it's also included in the carbohydrates.
Yes. Okay.
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 Now next is fats. How the fats are made up of? Like the proteins, proteins made up of amino acids, and the fats made up of fatty acids and glycerol. These two things constitute the fats, and it is also used for the energy. Fats, as you know, if we are eating a bowl of the butter or a ghee, then we can't eat till the evening anything else, because it's a very heavy food
Yes.
and can't be digested
Yeah.
so easily. No? So it will
Yes.
give us more energy.
Okay.
Okay.
So you know me. Yes.
Yes. Tell me the
Mm,
question.
no, you know, miss, I was like asking you, what is like glycerol?
Glycerol.
Yeah.
It's a dear compound in which the carbon, hydrogen, these elements will combine to form a structure with a formula.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will give you the picture after this class, then you can see. Okay.
No worries.
Yes. Now next is the fiber, which is made up of the substances such as cellulose, keep the waste solid. Right? That fibrous food which I have told you earlier, these are the fiber. Salads. It includes all type of salads, cucumber, radish, carrot, anything. Okay? Understood now?
Okay. Miss, can you explain it again? Like, I'm kind of unsure.
Fiber food, dear, which helps in the digestion of our food, and it
Okay.
pushes the food as a waste product towards our anus easily. Like in the
Okay.
previous lecture, I have told you about the constipation. No? In the
Yeah.
patient of constipation, the doctors recommend them to eat a fibrous diet.
Okay, so it's like lack of fiber.
It's not a lack of fiber. Fibrous diet means salads. If you are eating salads, you can't get suffer from any disease like constipation.
Okay.
Okay. to clean our
Okay.
stomach daily, we must eat the
Yeah.
fibrous diet. And the substances which are included in the fibrous diet, it includes the cellulose and the salads. Cellulose is the mainly the major chemical compound which is found in that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, next is minerals. Minerals are the elements which is used for lot of things like making the hemoglobin in the blood. Like in the poor people, females
Yeah.
have a poor diet and they have to do all the work at home and outside also, like a labor woman. If she
Yeah.
is doing daily 9 to 5, she is doing own work. So she will
Yeah.
can't eat the more and more healthy diet, no? Because they're very
Yeah.
poor. Then they have to
Yeah.
take the multivitamins and or we can say the syrups to achieve
Well,
the hemoglobin content level at a sufficient amount which is required in our body. Otherwise, she is not able to do any kind of work.
yeah.
Understood now? So those
Um,
elements which must be consumed by our body, if they are not developed inside by the lack of the food, healthy food, so they must take the minerals from
yeah.
outside.
So it's
Understood?
like the tablets.
Which one?
It's like tablets, like vitamin E tablets, vitamin C tablets.
Those are included in the vitamins. I'm talking about the minerals. Minerals
Yeah.
include like zinc, elements
Oh.
which are required in very, very small amount. In the micrograms we require in our body in the daily life, like phosphorus, calcium, zinc. These are the minerals.
Okay.
And these are taken up by the multivitamin syrups or the tablets also. In any form you can take it. If you are not
Okay.
having a fruits in your diet.
Okay.
Yes. Then next are the vitamins. Anything that we can't make enough of ourselves but are only needed in small amount. Means they are produced in our body but not in such amount, in that amount which is required for our body. We are unable to create to such level. Understood now? So we have to take it
Yes.
outside, like vitamin E tablets, vitamin C tablets, as you have told me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it's like taken needed in a small amount, not
Very
really
yes,
heavy.
yes. Minerals and vitamins, they both are needed in very small amount.
Okay.
Yes. Then next is, I have told you this one, I think so, dear. Page number 8 is there, Kwashiorkor and other malnutrition.
Just a second, miss. Let me turn my page.
Okay.
Yes. So this
You
page
have
is
studied now?
yes.
Yes. And seventh one also, test of starch, test for sugar, proteins. We have also done that. This
Yeah.
one also done that 10th number enzymes. We have done that diagram. I remember. Ninth
Yeah.
also done that digestive system. I have explained you earlier.
Yes.
Page number 12. 12th I don't tell you about that. Here the
Well,
difference
miss,
between have
we
you
are on like we are like on page number 10.
which one is there? 10th is here only. Okay, just wait. No, 10th we have done. See that I have told you about the blocks. I
Yeah, yeah.
remember the
So
word. Okay.
yes.
Okay. 11 page number. Have you seen that? Because I have got the
Y-
12 number.
yes,
11,
miss.
where is the 11? Yes, 11. From 11 we have to study now. But there is
Yes.
a time of only 8 minutes. So I am just about telling you about the first paragraph of carbohydrates. Understood?
Okay, no
Otherwise
worries.
class will be cut on in between. Okay.
Okay, no
Now,
worries.
okay,
Right.
carbohydrates are digested in the mouth, stomach, and small intestine. In the mouth, that's why they are saying due to the starch. Understood now?
Sorry,
Carbohydrates are
miss.
digested in the mouth, means starch is digested in the mouth because
Okay, so like
carbohydrates. Yeah, yeah.
Like, digestion begins in from
In
our
this,
mouth.
yeah. That's why this word is written here. The carbohydrates are digested in the mouth. Clear?
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
carbohydrates, enzymes break down the starch into sugars.
Sugar.
Clear?
Clear.
Carbohydrates. ASE is written. It means it's a name of the enzyme.
Yes. So, like,
Carbohydrates, enzyme breaks
yes.
down the starch into the sugars. Means that starches break down into sugars first. And here it is also written the saliva in your mouth contains the amylase, that is slippery amylase, which is another starch digesting enzyme. Understood? In the saliva,
Yeah.
starch is broken down into the sugar with the help of the slippery amylase enzyme. Clear?
Clear.
If you chew a piece of a bread for long enough, the starch it contains is digested to sugar and it begins to start taste sweet. When we are eating
So,
the
like,
bread without any
yeah.
butter and without any sauce and anything, after some
Yeah.
time you will get a sweet taste just due to the digestion of the starch. Same,
Okay.
it
So
will occur
because
with the chapati also. When you are eating a chapati without
okay.
any vegetable or anything, just a piece of a chapati is eating, then you also get a sweet taste. It will show the it is carbohydrates, and in this the starch is present, which give us a sweet taste. Understood?
Okay. So, like, understood, miss.
Yes. Next one I will tell you tomorrow because 5 minutes are very less for this, and it is a process which should be in continue. Is there any
No
doubt
worries.
till now?
No, miss. Just a second. I will just recheck.
Okay, just I'm waiting for you.
Yep. So no, miss. I don't have a doubt, but if I have, I would message you.
Okay, you can tell me and you can also message me also.
Yeah.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Bye, miss. Have a nice time.